Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best ladder for home use available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Tasks like cleaning the spider webs, dusty fans, windows, changing light bulbs, fixing electrical connections of the mini split air conditioners or ceiling fans, etc., can only be done with the help of a ladder. So, if you have such impending tasks, then make sure you go through the list of 5 best ladder reviews consumer reports. So, let's start from number 5, and stay tuned till we reveal our top 1. Number 5. Chara Home 4-Step Ladder. It is a perfect tool when you need a little extra height for items in the kitchen, bathroom, office or garage. Top step boosts you 38 inches from the ground. Reaching a high cabinet, changing the light bulb or washing the windows, our products make it easier to get any job done. Number 4. Best Choice Sky 1906 Folding Steel 3-Step Stool Ladder. Being a 3-step stool ladder, this product has a weight capacity of 330 pounds, which allows you to carry out a wide range of tasks with ease. Perfect for both indoor use to clean or decorate hard-to-reach areas, and outdoor use to repaint walls or hang lights. Number 3. Little Giant 22-Foot Velocity Multi-Use Ladder. This multi-position ladder converts to a frame, extension, trestle and plank, 90-degree and staircase with ease. Rock lock adjusters quickly alter your ladder into different configurations. It can hold up to 300 pounds. Number 2. Flip N Light 6-Foot Stepladder with Platform. Comfortable standing platform makes the Flip N Light ideal for long-term usage. It has extra wide rungs prevent foot fatigue. Lightweight aluminum stepladder is easy to transport, set up and take down. The Flip N Light meets or exceeds all OSHA and ANSI standards and is Type E rated to hold 300 pounds. Number 1. Rubbermaid Folding 3-Step Steel Frame Stool. This ladder is folding 3-step steel frame stool, with 27.25-inch standing height and silver finish. Designed with a hand grip and plastic steps. Folds up for easy storage. It is Type 3 duty rating, and has 200-pound load capacity. Comes with a 1-year limited warranty.